Now we go to Apollo Chennai. Dr. Sripati from Apollo Chennai, please.
Respected Chairman, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. I'm presenting on behalf of all the robotic surgeons in Chennai. I'm basically a pediatric surgeon by qualification, a full-time pediatric urologist by practice. And this has been our experience. I've strictly kept it as a status report. I'm not going to talk about our individual surgeries or our accomplishments or our problems, which I think we need to discuss in a separate scenario. This has been, the robot was acquired in late 2011, November, in Apollo Chennai. And this has been the way we have been progressing as far as the surgeries are concerned. In 213, it's been 261, a total of 417 have been done till date. This is the specialty split. We have a robotic coordinator. Ananthakrishnan is the director of robotics. We have a dedicated robotic coordinator who collects all the data and prepares all these various charts for us. And that's the sort of breakup we have right from the beginning. And we've sort of, this is a very good way of presenting data. I must thank Sylvester for it. It's a sort of a specialty split over the years. And you can see at a glance who has been the major contributor. Of course, urology has been quite significant. Gynecology has been second at 67. General surgery at 46, cardiac 9, ENT 6, and pediatric, which is myself, has been about 32 over this period of time. This particular year, since January, we have started off quite well as far as urology and pediatrics are concerned, and we hope we'll maintain the trend. In the last meeting that we had in August 2013, we did not mention the names of all the surgeons who were involved, and that was a mistake, so we'll correct it now. Anant is our director of robotics. Then we have Thirumalai Ganesan, Deepak Raghavan, Nitish, Arun Kumar Balakrishnan, Ramesh Kamalakannan, Narsimhan Raghavan. And these are all the procedures that they have done from the 18th of August, since we had the last robotic surgeons meeting till date. And this is a breakup of the various procedures that have been done: adrenalectomy, radical cystectomy, diverticulectomy, nephrectomy, nephrouretrectomy, partial nephrectomy, pyeloplasty, radical prostatectomy, ureteric reimplant, and others. The gynecology is basically done by Dr. Meenakshi Sundaram, Meera Raghavan, and Vinuta Arunachalam, and the pediatric by myself. And these have been the numbers from the 18th of August till now: 12 hysterectomies, 5 myomectomies, 1 sacrocolpopexy. In pediatrics, 7 pyeloplasties, 2 ureteric reimplants, 1 diverticulum excision and reimplant. The general and cardiac surgery, the general surgery is done by Rajkumar Palaniyappan, who is also the bariatric surgeon, and Venkatesh Munikrishnan. And the cardiac is done by L.F. Sridhar and Dr. Ravi Kumar. And these are their numbers from the 18th of August: 2 AP resections, 1 low anterior resection, 2 gastric bypass. On the cardiac side, 4 mitral valve replacements and 1 IMA takedown. So this has been our experience, and I've sort of strictly kept myself to a status report. Everything else we can discuss in a session later on. Thank you very much, sir.